Are you ready to love your car even more? Because today, you will see the coolest and most interesting car gadgets. Car accessories and gadgets can make driving much more enjoyable and can add a sense of comfort and convenience to any drive. So get ready to see the top 15 car gadgets. You don't need a brand new car with extra accessories and equipment to enjoy a head-up display. With a simple installation kit, you can turn any vehicle into one with a head-up display. By reflecting vital information such as current speed, fuel levels, engine temperature, and many more directly onto the windshield in a non-obtrusive way, this HUD ensures that the driver can keep their eyes on the road at all times. In addition, the A8 HUD will also alert drivers of any potential malfunctions or check engine lights, so drivers can be aware of any problems that may arise. The only bad thing I found about this gadget is that it's not compatible with all vehicles, so if you ever consider purchasing one, check to see if yours is compatible. So we all know what road rage is, but what if there was a more convenient way to show what you mean? By simply clicking a button, you can send humorous and safe driver feedback. The FLIK replaces risky driver behaviors like yelling and loud brake checking with this hilarious light sign. So basically, this is a device designed to reduce road rage and provide drivers with a humorous outlet for their frustrations. By investing about $50, you can enjoy a much more pleasant and safer driving experience. There are many ways to make our car look better, and one of them is with custom valve caps. This bullet-shaped custom valve cap will make your car look unique, that's for sure. Not only are these custom valve caps stylish, but they also help protect the core of your wheels from dirt and dust. And here's a quick tip so you can do it yourself. All that you need are 4 empty bullet shells and some hot glue. You put the hot glue into bullet shells and then put the standard valve cap on the shell, and that's it. And this is a universal LED rear spoiler kit. It's 50 inches or 127 centimeters wide, and you can cycle through 15 color options. Installation is quite simple, and you can do it yourself without major issues. The LED rear spoiler kit is a great addition to your car and provides a unique, stylish look that is sure to turn heads. The high-density waterproof material and IPX4 waterproof level make sure that your spoiler is safe from wind, rain, and other weather conditions. Just keep in mind that you cannot cut this LED, so check if it fits your vehicle before purchasing. We all hate when our shiny wheels get scratched by the sidewalk when we park, or there is some object we didn't see, and now our shiny wheel is not that shiny anymore. So basically, if you have wheels that are worth protecting, you may consider these wheel protectors. The wheel protectors are designed to absorb most of the impact from impacts on the wheels. They're effective at preventing the wheels from being damaged by rocks, gravel, and other debris that can be thrown up off the road. And they come in a variety of colors, so you can customize them to match your car's paint job. For a set of 4, you would have to shell out $120. And here is a quick, simple, and effective solution when your vehicle is stranded in all types of terrain and adverse weather conditions. The reason I prefer this to a standard car chain is its compactness. They are light and small, so they can be placed anywhere in the car. However, that is not the only advantage, because they can be quickly installed and removed with minimal effort. This makes them ideal for those who find themselves in a situation where they need to quickly install traction assisting devices. And one more thing, don't forget to install them on the drive wheels. The price of this set is about $90 at the moment. While I will never support driving when you consume alcohol, there are many cases of people driving while intoxicated. And in some cases, you may have a beer or two. And what better way to see if you are legally allowed to drive than this mobile breath alcohol tester? This device can measure your breath alcohol concentration, giving you an idea of whether or not you are safe to drive before you hit the road. When you connect it to your smartphone, it will give you not only the amount of alcohol in your blood, but also an estimated time when you will get sober. But keep in mind that you should use it at least once a month so the sensors have enough moisture. Otherwise, you will have to calibrate it if it is not used for a long time. But it doesn't mean that you need to drink alcohol. You can also test it when sober, just to keep the sensors moist. The price for this device is about $100. If you're like me, you're always worried about your car keys accidentally getting wet or damaged when you're out and about. Thankfully, there's a gadget to put your mind at ease. This waterproof housing for car keys is designed to keep your car keys safe, dry, and secure. It's made from a durable polycarbonate material that's waterproof and impact resistant. The housing also has a looped keychain, so you can easily attach it to your belt loop or bag. If you are a person who often goes to places where you can get your car keys wet, then I highly recommend checking it out. Over the years, I have experienced several moments without a cell signal, and that's not something I want to remember. But this simple but useful gadget is something that anybody who often goes camping, fishing, or to places with poor signal coverage should have. It can connect to the cell towers that are the farthest away and boost the signal for more than one device. And it works with the newest 5G technology and has the fastest speed and best service of any smartphone. With this device, you can be sure that your calls will be connected and your messages will be sent in a timely manner. However, to get the benefits of this device, you'll need to cash out $460, which is the current price. In cold weather, most of us have to wait for our cars to warm up so the heating can start. So basically, you can skip that step with this gadget because you can simply plug it into a 12-volt cigarette socket and it will begin to heat and defrost your windshield. It's 150 watts and it costs about $20, so don't expect strong heating from it. So, if you're looking for an easy way to deep clean the hard-to-reach areas of your car, then cleaning gel is a great option. It's safe, effective, and incredibly easy to use. Cleaning gel is designed to get into hard-to-reach areas and remove dirt, dust, and other debris. It is a great way to clean the interior of your car without having to take it apart and break it down into individual pieces. And don't wash cleaning gel with water because it will lose its ability to clean and you will need to throw it away. It costs only $8 at the moment. If I had to choose which car gadget would be most useful for me, this one would definitely be in my top 3. It's a dash cam with dual-facing HD cameras that can record, has live view, and two-way talk. Even when your car is parked and connected to Wi-Fi, you can use the Ring app on your phone to see inside and talk to anyone in your car. This car gadget is incredibly helpful in terms of security, providing a way to keep an eye on your car when it is parked and monitor who enters it while you are away. And, of course, it's very useful while driving because it can record the driver as well as the front of the car. The price for this gadget is $200. If your garage is barely big enough to park your car, then this gadget is the perfect solution. The Park Right parking mat makes it easy and safe to park, and it keeps your car and garage from getting damaged. The anti-skid tape that comes with the mat keeps it from moving, and the reflective tape makes it easy to see. With this parking mat, you can quickly and accurately park in tight spaces without worrying about hitting walls or other obstacles. It costs $20 for one and $37 for 2 packs. Car Shades is the first car sunshade and security screen that can be controlled remotely. Each shade is made specifically for your car's make and model. It works with the remote, and it can be installed on 2, 4, or even all the windows that you have on your vehicle, including the windshield. It's really a cool idea and definitely can be useful, but despite its potential, Car Shades ultimately failed to reach its goal of being available for purchase. And now I will be honest with you and tell you that this gadget will not protect your car or make your life easier, but it definitely can put a smile on your face. This Minigun Exhaust has only one purpose, and that's to make your exhaust the coolest one in the neighborhood. There are some models that you can purchase for a motorcycle, but for cars, I found only custom-made ones. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.